VLOOKUP function. The VLOOKUP function takes 4 arguments. The first argument it's looking for is what to look for. That could be a number, a string, or a specific cell. Next, it's going to look for a range of where to look for that value. The third argument is what column to get the info from, and be advised that column A will now translate as 1, B is 2, etc. The final argument is true or false, where true represents an approximate match or false represents an exact match. I strongly recommend using false unless you have some reason to use true. So let's go over to our example here, Fred Seeds. I'm going to use the insert function to insert a VLOOKUP here. Let's just find that, get it going. Okay, so our first argument, where to look for. And I'm going to refer to G1. So I'll put a string in G1 later and we'll look it up. Now, where to look for that? You always want to be looking in the first column. So I've selected the range there. Finally, I'm going over 4 to the D column to return whatever information is in there when it's found. And of course, false. Of course, there's nothing there, but when I type in something like onion, there it is. $1.38 is the retail price. Or corn returns the retail price. Let's try it with a 3D formula. So right here I want to insert the cost and the retail from the previous page. So I'm going to insert my VLOOKUP. I'm looking for what's in the first column of this table. So I'm looking for broccoli. And I'm going to be looking for it in the same table on the other worksheet. The column index for cost is going to be the second column, and of course false. Hey, what do you know? That worked. Let's pull that down and see if we can just fill it in. Whoops. We got some problems here. What's wrong? Formula looks good, but let's make that absolute. For the range that it's looking in. Now let's use autofill. Much better. Now I'm going to copy my formula, the text of it, go over to C4, edit mode, and paste it. Now all I need to do is change the column that I'm looking at or looking for. My absolutes are already in. I'm done. A 3D VLOOKUP. You will need to know this stuff for Learning Outcome 12, the project, in CU 260. Good luck.